We are going to learn a very vital grammar point. Every learner should learn this. Active voice with passive like meaning. Active voice, but it is not passive voice, but passive like meaning. This pen writes well. මේ පෑන හොඳට ලියවෙනවා. The pen is comfortable in your hand and the ink flows evenly and the pen glides smoothly on the paper. You can say the pen writes well. පෑන හොඳට ලියවෙනවා. This knife cuts well. Same. මේ පිය හොඳට කැපෙනවා. That rice cooks quickly. ඒ හාල හොඳට ඉක්මනින් ඉදෙනවා පිසෙනවා. Now this type of grammar is categorizing ancient languages like Latin, Pali and so on as middle voice. But in English, we can't see a grammatical category like middle voice, but that function is available in English. English allows tools and machines and some other nouns to be the grammatical subject of the verb describing their function. That is what is happening here. Writes ලියවෙනවා, cuts කැපෙනවා, cooks ඉදෙනවා. Now if you say he writes with that pen ලියනවා, that is causative. කරන දෙයක් නේ. Now if you need to learn this type of special grammar lessons and speaking styles, follow my page.